So just a quick one, guys. I was just checking out my Air 3 for any updates because I'm doing a video on how to use your Air 3 with your goggles free. And while I was doing that, I did a screen save, which I always do anyway, which was onto my RC2. And guess what? One of the problems that I had a while back is where I used to save the screen saves, look at it, and it was saying that it is for tomorrow. So obviously nothing drastic, but just in case anybody else is having the same problem, I put the video there about the screen save that I'd done. Maybe it's a really new update. I don't know. There's so many updates, I'll just lose track of them. But anybody else watching this, interested that the screen save was saying it's for tomorrow, when it's quite clearly it's today. But anyway, I had this before. The good old RC2. I'm sure DJI are going to be bringing out a new controller because I don't know, I've had so many problems with this controller. I mean, I'm not saying that I have no problems flying the drones, but there's always something going on. And there's been so many updates, and obviously in the next week or so we've got a new drone coming out. There'll be more updates. Hopefully it won't affect this because I believe it's going to be a different controller for that. But hey, I just thought I'd put it out. It'd be interesting to know anybody else noticed the same problems that their files are in the future. Anyway, as always, guys, there'll be another video coming very soon.